So if you give me 2 minutes, I'll tell you what really grows a YouTube channel in 2026. And it's not luck, it's not even talent really, it's just consistently posting in a niche over a long period of time. These are the two things that you need to do, and it's so simple. Pick something as specific as you can. Fishing channel about fishing for a certain type of fish, or maybe a Warhammer channel talking about a certain character in Warhammer, or maybe YouTube growth, teaching people how to grow when they've got less than 100 subscribers. Pick something really specific. And then post videos about that content over and over and over again for a long period of time. And if you do these two things, you will start to grow your YouTube channel. And I know it sounds simple and it sounds maybe a bit stupid, but these are the only two things that really matter. And when I talk about posting consistently, I also mean consistently to a good standard. Make sure that your audio matches other people in your niche. It's up to that standard of quality that people don't just click off as soon as they click onto your video. And just make videos that you think people will actually want to watch and that are serving a purpose. Go and look at the niche that you want to post in, look at how the videos are presented, and then try to do something similar. Don't copy people's scripts, don't copy their ideas, but just have a look at what's already working and then adapt it to what you want to do. And this is all that you have to do to grow a YouTube channel in 2026. I've done this over and over and over again. I've got 5 or 6 channels now. They've all got more than 10,000 subscribers. Some of them have got a lot more. And I've got millions and millions of views. And all I ever did was just pick something specific: cryptocurrency, gaming, Warhammer, like I just said, YouTube growth, Lord of the Rings. Pick something specific, make videos in that niche over and over again, find what works, and then reiterate the things that work. And this is how you will grow on YouTube in 2026. Thanks a lot for watching. Watch this video next if you want to know more, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.